Hey y'all beautiful people, it's your girl Shantana Redman and welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with a new video. And as y'all can see by the title of today's video, I'll be unboxing my mannequin hair that I purchased from Samsbeauty. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel, and if you're new here, you haven't gotten a chance to subscribe, make sure y'all hit that red button, turn on the post notification bell so the moment I upload, y'all be the first to see. So let's stay tuned to see how I unbox my mannequin hair.
Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun morning, babe.
Wig. So the canvas, the mannequin head that I have is a Studio Limited PU canvas block head DIY wig making starter kit, 12 pieces, 22 inches. So y'all girls gonna start be making wig. Oh my gosh, you heard me. Y'all make sure y'all stay here. So it's the Studio Limited PU canvas block head DIY wig making starter kit, 12 pieces, 22 inches. So this is the head, I should said. It's really soft and nice. These are some little furs that you basically brush it and it comes off. As the kit says, it's the 22 inches. I should have measured my hair, but because of these butterfly frolics that I have in my hair, I don't think I'm gonna get the full size, if that even actually makes sense, but y'all know what I mean. And it has the hole inside of it. Yeah, I don't know how much inches this, but y'all can see where you can put your tripod. I currently don't have a wig tripod as yet. Hopefully someone buy it off of my birthday wish list. I maybe have to go and get one, the GEX tripod wig stand. That's the one that I want. But if you check the link down below in the description, y'all will see my birthday wish list, so you might be able to purchase it and send to me, and then I can attach it and start making wigs. But yeah, that's a birthday wish. And if y'all don't know, I'm an October girl. I am a Libra girl. My birthday is October the 9th. I do have a wish list down below, but it's really soft and it's nice. You can hear the firmness in it as well. But one thing I love about this purchase is that it comes with some accessories, like a ton load accessories, which I really find it to be very unique. I think the wig, the mannequin head, was like 20 something US dollars. I'm gonna try to check back. I honestly don't remember because I've purchased these for like a good while now, but I'm just actually getting the package, not because Samsbeauty take long, but I haven't gotten a chance to go and pick it up at my shipping company, so that's the reason why. But I'm gonna check out what's the price for it and let you guys know. So it actually comes in a sealed bag. I just pull it apart. So these are all the accessories, so I'm gonna take them out one by one and let you know what exactly I received. So of course, as I said, I will start making my wig. Since I have my mannequin head, I'm just waiting on my tripod. So I managed to get one of the do-it-yourself DIY wig cap. This is a Doom style, the mesh wig cap. So it has really a wide variety of them. You might be familiar with some of them, but the one that I got is the mesh one. So let me give you a up close on it. Yeah, this is the one that I've also get the weaving set. I get the thread, and this is what 3 needle. Yeah, so I've received the thread and 3 different needles, one here, one here, one here, and black thread. These are, if you're not familiar with T-pins, these are what you actually use to hold on the head on the mannequin head. So I'll be leaving the link of me the first time I actually made a wig from scratch and install it, so you can check out that video down below for y'all to understand what exactly is T-pin if you're not sure what it is. But yeah, pretty much that's what I received. And I received a tail comb. I don't know what y'all call it in your states or in your country, but I was raised knowing this comb as a tail comb. Yeah, that's what I know it as. A nice little blue one, actually my favorite color. I received I hope you must be familiar with this. If you don't know nothing pertaining to hair, you must be familiar with this one. So I received the pink and green looking one, so that's another one adding to my collections. Yes, so I received that one. I also received a multiple use scissors, and I realized it's from the Whole Beautiful, because both of them come from the same brand as well. I get some rubber bands, some colored rubber bands. It's like 300 rubber bands. I also got a mesh wig cap. So the first one that I received was from Doom Wig Style, and then this one is from the Studio Limited. So I guess these come together, the brand pertaining to the brand, they're together, but this one is the mesh one. All right, so just because I don't have my tripod as yet, they give you some options for the table settings, so you can actually clamp these down on the table or on a chair, well, more likely on a firm table. So I'm just going to pull them and let you see. Yeah, so I think this one you screw upwards for it to come. Yeah, you squeeze it upwards. So this is how this one comes. I don't know what these are called, to be honest, so I'm just going to show you them just for show's sake. And I received extra clippies to put on my wig, and this is another one from the Oh Beautiful. And I got a wig cap, a wig cap, a wig cap, a wig cap. That's the end of my unboxing for my mannequin hair that I purchased from Samsbeauty. I mean, it's really a big combo deal. I mean, you pay $20-something US for it. I'm gonna tell you the exact price. I just don't remember how much is it that I paid. But the fact that you get so much stuff, all you need at this point in time is to go and purchase your hair wig, come and put it on your mannequin head, all the nice and cute accessories that you actually receive. Y'all go make your wig. Y'all go make your wig or come and slay your wig. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share as well, and make sure y'all purchase your mannequin head. This video is not sponsored. I spend all my cash, but the fact that I'm giving y'all some good soup, y'all make sure y'all go take it. And also, I forgot to mention is that I got a mask as well, a cute little mask. It's really unique. It's like a one-piece mask with black and some nice silver on it. So thanks to Samsbeauty for setting up this beautiful package, so y'all for persons can go and purchase. So make sure y'all subscribe. Bye guys.